Search MODLOADER 0.3.8 in your browser, or you can check the download link in the description. Press download. I prefer download archive with files, because it might be easier. Download and wait for the download to finish. Next step. Extract WinRAR MODLOADER. Open File. Open File. Select all files. And copy. Paste in your GTASA game folder. Don't worry. Press replace the files in the destination. Open File. And copy. Open MODLOADER. And paste. Done. Run GTASA.exe.
Take your time and let me love you good, man.